here are the treats. We give Jessie a whole one, and Alan a half a one because he is a big fat pig. And Jessie she swallows them whole. She's so fucked up. I can't believe that. She just swallowed that thing whole. Jessie, you are like... Jessie! Dance, Jessie, dance, Jessie! Yay! Come on, girlie! Hey, Alan, was that good? Was that good? Yes, it was. Okay, okay. Did you hear that? Keith, did you hear that? She's fucking crazy. She doesn't even chew the stuff up. She just swallows them whole. Hey, Jessie. Hey, Jessie. Hello, Poochie Poos. You guys